AMD's Ryzen 7 2700X. Welcome everyone to another quick unbox series. Today we have the Ryzen 7 2700X. Some quick facts about this CPU. It has 8 cores, 16 threads with a base clock of 3.7 GHz. For those looking to purchase the 2700X, it is a great price to performance CPU. Now let's quickly take a look what's inside the box. As you can see here, we have the 2700X CPU with a sticker inside. And I just want to show everyone what else is in the box, as you can see. So there are a total of 2 components that is inside this box, as well as one of the main key components is the Wraith Prism cooler. Now the Wraith Prism cooler is RGB, and one of the main reasons why the 2700X is so competitive is that it includes its own cooler. So meaning you don't have to purchase another cooler when you purchase the CPU. So it is great value for money. As you can see here guys, it also includes thermal paste. So if you don't have thermal paste, you can just quickly install this on your motherboard with the CPU and off you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video today, and we'll catch you all next time. Cheers.